Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna review this case from Otterbox, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is the Otterbox Defender Pro series. This case costs $60 at Best Buy and also on Amazon. They don't have the Pro on Amazon, they just have the Defender series case, which is basically the same, except for it has some lines in there and everything, but both of these cases are great. Yes, I know it's another $60 case, but the phone is $1,100. You want the best protection, especially if you go hiking. This case here will protect your phone from some major drops and give you that extra protection. I will have the links in the description. Like I said, you can pick it up from Amazon or Best Buy. All right, so let's get into it. Great presentation. Look, drop protection, 4-time tested. Otterbox Pro. If y'all want to pause that, you can definitely do so. But overall, this is a great presentation on the box. Let's see how the case is. It gives you instructions, and I'm going to put this on the side. We don't need no instructions here. Maybe just how to get it out the box, though. All right, so let's get this thing out the box. And it has instructions on how to use the belt clip. Yes, it comes with a belt clip too. There you go. Like I said, if you work construction, great. You need that belt clip. Or if you're gonna ride a bike, you can use that. Now this is a 2-piece case. Look at the inside there. It says Drop Plus. It has that grippy material on the back. The cutouts, it has this little flap there. Let's see how this thing fits. Let's get this off real quick. All right, before I start, this is actually a 3-piece case. This rubber comes off here. You just want to make sure you don't tear it. You want to pull it off from the plastic here. Take your time. You don't want to break anything. Then on here, they have these clips. Here, they have a clip here. They have a clip here, here. So you want to make sure you get your fingernails in there and take them off without breaking them. So just like that, you have it off. The top comes off from the bottom. All right, so what you want to do is put the phone in the bottom here like this. Then you take the top. Let's make sure I can get this on camera. And you just line it up. Take your time. You want to just make sure everything clicks in place. You want to hear all the little buttons click in place here. Make sure the phone is in there. So the phone is in there. Not too bad. Then what you want to do is put the rubber piece back on there. Now in this case, I would recommend, if you're going to use it and you're going to use it for a little bit, if you change cases out daily, then yeah, it might be a little pain, but that wasn't too bad. That actually was quite easy. Look, I missed a spot here, but once you get it back together, there you have it. So, I mean, again, you're not going to break your phone dropping it. Also, you want to make sure that microphone holder is in there, but look at that cutout. Yes, you get camera protection. I think that's the best lip protection you're going to get. The power button feels great. Volume rockers are nice and easy to press. The top, look, the top lines up. What y'all think about this case? Little Otterbox brand in there. Now, the one thing I don't have to worry about is the fit, because it does fit well. The lineups there, I love this little flap for your USB and the microphone. They even have a hole for the microphone there, but that little flap goes there. Let's see how easy it is to get the pen out. It's easy to take the pen out too, not too bad. The last thing we want to check, can you wireless charge with it? I like this case though. And yes, it will add some bulk to your phone, but it's not as bad as it used to be. It doesn't feel as bad as it used to be, but it's definitely a case. I mean, it definitely adds some bulk to it. Wireless charging, like I said, I don't think you would have a problem, and no problem there. Wireless charge is pretty easy for you. But this case is definitely nice. Again, if you work construction, yeah, I would definitely recommend it. And it goes into this little clip belt too, some kind of way like that. I don't know, I probably will never use the clip, but you can. You probably can even make it into a kickstand some kind of way too. But that's the clip. I don't know, do y'all use the clip? I don't really use the clip, but I will definitely be rocking out this case. I do like it. So if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @FordsReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. You have a great day.